play there.
The opening tip is brought to you by Pizza Hut.
Trying to go high-low to start off the ball game, and I like that, trying to establish LaMarcus just to start the game. And there's the three ball from Towns. He's going to shoot more of those. He's going to shoot
Forbes off to Aldridge, gets it right back. LA steps behind the line, and he knocks down the triple. Again, Towns for three, and nothing but the bottom. This is Jakob Poeltl. Not happy at all that Towns got off those two quick threes, I got a feeling, Sean, as LA answers.
Yeah, but I like LaMarcus's answer.
Aldridge. Again, a turnover, and here's Teague.
Oh, you go, bro.
Jeff Teague killed the Spurs up in Minneapolis as Teague. And Towns misses the three on the inbounds, and DeRozan goes to work against the youngster. And DeMar.
It wasn't easy for Karl Anthony Towns. He had to work awfully hard to get that jump hook off.
DeRozan.
Every time. I mean, that's a 1-2 foot shot. Just bully Jeff Teague there in the low block. Put him in the torture chamber.
Towns the other way with a dunk. First in the last 2 minutes, so the Spurs on the side not shooting. Mills wide open. Good on you, Penny! As Mills knocks down the triple.
That's quite a few points there.
He has done it well for a long time as Teague knocks down the jumper. Murray gets it right back from LA. DeJounte.
Yeah, he's going to get that shot all night long.
Well, the one you were talking about, the latter stages of the first quarter, it almost appeared like he was being conservative and trying not to turn it over. And doesn't turn it over. He's going to have a heck of a shot at winning this ball game. Inside, Aldridge with the dunk.
Oh, they're trying to go high-low earlier.
Claiming it. Brent Forbes.
That's what it comes down to. If we're going to make shots,
some good looks, not making them though.
You're right. He's gotten a lot of floaters in the paint, just can't get it to fall.
He is 0 of 5. Inside, Marco got it to fall as White connects with it. The Timberwolves bring it right back. Culver, a little space. White stripped it, goes back to Minnesota. Bates Diop hits the triple. Well, I'm sure there's load management involved in that too.
Oh yeah,
you got to spread those races out. You can't have too many on a homestand. Here is Aldridge knocking down another jump.
Our guys to shoot jump shots. There's a lot of uncontested shots out there.
Culver gets another three.
Right in Patty's wheelhouse right there.
Spurs are 2 of 13 from three as Wiggins pours one in. They're shooting 37.7. Spurs haven't done well defending it either, though. Opponents are hitting at 38.4.
But tells me that sometimes they're shooting themselves out of the game.
Derek twists his way to the bucket. Rudy Gay. Pick and roll with Aldridge.
Another wide open jumper.
And Rudy claims this one. Towns for three. Teague rebounds, fires it inside, and Wiggins the dunk.
You get the miss, then you don't clean up the mess, and there's Andrew Wiggins for an easy dunk.
DeRozan, an and one. After they had gotten their largest lead, and they were 0 of 8 from three within the quarter. Derek White says the other end looks a whole lot better.
It's a free-for-all. Take the outside shots. It's a free-for-all.
Yes, it is, and it's open. So is the paint, unfortunately, for the Minnesota Timberwolves as Wiggins drives to score, and Wiggins in double figures now with 10. DeRozan in the paint for two. DeRozan pokes it away. DeRozan couldn't come up with it, though, and Culver gets the three to fall. 14 against Atlanta. The last
DeMar DeRozan steps in there to help out, and no one gets his man.
And DeRozan knocks down another jumper for the Spurs.
They're out. That last one was a great example.
Jakob again. Another block for Jakob Poeltl. Inside, Poeltl. Thought we were going to get a Poeltl jam, but he got it done. Culver in the paint.
A solid move there from the youngster. Able to use his athleticism to finish off that play. Not bad.
Rookie from Texas Tech, the number 6 pick in the draft by Phoenix last year, as Aldridge converts the jumper. Acapurtle with 4 blocks tonight, his season high. Wiggins inside, and his second effort is rewarded. Kid has it together. Patty Mills. Get in there. Won't. The tip. LA there to clean it up. DeRozan. Rudiger with the dunk. Kogi kicks it back out, and Jang for 3. Kogi the rebound.
Just a three-point shooting contest. I know they pass up layups and shots in the paint just to get off 3 balls.
Aldridge got it to fall. Avid a Cowboy fan as there is, have a heart attack while they make that decision.
Yeah, see, he trolled me earlier.
Oh, Lonnie Walker, the 4th for 3.
There you go.
Jang, 6 on the shot clock. Right to the right. Hey, 9 of 15 shooting. He's got 20. Coming in, averaging 18.8 after his 30-point performance against the Lakers. Wiggins silences the crowd with a 3. Hurdle to Murray. Here they come.
Look out.
Walker on the drive and scores.
Shoot this under 6 seconds or so. Good use of the clock there.
Oh, Walker wide open. Great feed by Mills before tonight's game. This is his 12th appearance.
Well, he's got to play more. No question. And he's got to be allowed to make some mistakes, Phil.
Patty Mills with 7. Gay has Teague on him with 4. Tough shot for Rudy. Count it finish. Towns. Attacks Pirtle.
Wow, that's a long step to the basket.
Got to get up on him. He's shown what he can do from outside. What a challenge to guard. And there's a 3. And he's fouled. Count it. 4-point play possibility. Trouble finding the range tonight. Jakob Pirtle, his 5th block of the night. Ties his career high. DeRozan back to Jakob for 2. Karl Anthony Towns has the last 8 in the game for Minnesota. Forbes got to take that one. Murray. Oh, what a spectacular follow by DeJounte Murray. Good contest there, and Lonnie Walker with a rebound. Walker turns on the Jets. Oh, bravo! What a play by the 4th! Lonnie Walker with 11 in the game. DeRozan. Yes! And the Spurs again are within 1. There's a running start, the kick out. Forbes. DeRozan. Off the window and goes. Spurs lead it. Timeout Timberwolves. Jang gives it up here to Culver. Covington. Flyby from DeRozan. Drains the triple. Lead swings right back to the Timberwolves. 94-92. 4th team foul. And Minnesota is yet to have a foul. Wiggins goes to work.
That was world class right there.
Joshua Kogi. Off the window? No. LA, yes.
That just comes with experience, though. Recognizing what you should do in that situation.
Wiggins. It's the open triple. He kills some clock. Here's Towns. 6 seconds on the clock. Wide open.
That's a smart play there from Towns.
DeRozan lays it up and in. And DeMar. Teague out front. Swings it. And another triple.
You know, our guys have to have a better effort as well on the defensive end. There are a few mistakes here or there, and they all add up.
That'll do it as Minnesota.